Hello and welcome to S&B Games, and welcome to the moon, well, the journey to the moon and to colonise the moon. This is story number 2 in the adventure. If you remember correctly, we were packing the rockets and we were blasting off into space, and now this is the journey to the moon. So much of the same rules apply. You have to start in ascending order. You have to have a chain of numbers in ascending order, starting from the Earth. So the Earth will be the smallest number, and up at the moon will be the highest number. Now, you probably noticed already that there's a lot more spaces than there are numbers. The numbers go from 1 to 15, and there's a lot of spaces there on the board. So this is where some of the new actions will come in, and I'll explain that just now. So let's take that away, and we will get our cards that I've conveniently set up for us. So the first action is the energy action we will talk about. And that is how you divide up this trajectory. When you take an energy action, you fill in a number as usual. So let's fill in 9 here, and we'll take the energy action and you circle up here. Okay, so once you have, you'll notice that there's one circled already. So once you have 2 circled, you immediately have to draw a line on the trajectory, which will divide this section, this trajectory, up into the 2 or more sections. So I'll need to put a line, well, I don't need to, put it anywhere you like, but I'll put it, put it here, say. Okay, so now this is one section, so that would go from 1 to whatever, and then I can start again here with another low number, 1, and again I'll need to divide this trajectory up into a few sections by the end of the game. There's also end game scoring points, but I'll explain that in a wee while. Okay, so the next action will be the astronaut action. Again, you take the pair, astronaut, and now when you do that, you score off one of these astronaut helmets here. And the astronaut action allows you to adjust the value, if you want, by up or down by up to 2 points. So this value could be a 5 up to a 9. You don't have to change it at all. So again, you would put that value in there. So I would, let me see, I'll put the 7 in here, and I've scored it off. Now once you have 2 of these, and 2 of the calendar ones, you will circle that, and that will give you a wild action. So if you don't like any of the actions up here, you can score off your wild action and make it anything you want. Okay. The next one is a calendar, or a planning action as they call it. Again, you just score off one here, and this allows you to put a cross in anywhere you like. So I will put an X in, I'll put an X in here. Okay. And again, once you have 2 of these, you circle that to indicate that you have a wild action, and you can score it off when it suits. Okay. So let's just flip some more cards and see some more actions. Now the robots, oh, I could do this, excuse me, cheating a little bit. Robots, you will circle these robots that are going from the trajectory to the space station. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You can circle any robot at all you like. So let's just say, well, let's circle this one over here. And I have to put a number 3 in. So let's start in this section here with 3. Again, because I've drawn a line, this is a new section. The robots give you the bonus if you connect all the robots up to the space station, and if you're the first person to do that, you will get the large bonus there. And everyone else has to score that bonus out, so they will not get that bonus. But they can still get the smaller bonus. And that will come into play at the end of the game with the plants. It combines with the plants. Water. Water is a bonus you will get as well. So I've got an 8 water there. So if you take the water action and you put a number adjacent to these symbols here, you can circle that one there. And again, it'll score at the end of the game, depending on how many you've circled. So I think there's about 7 or 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 waters. You'll just add them up at the total at the end of the game. And there may be some achievements with the waters. So let's head back over here, and we've got the last action is the plants action. Now this is a funny one. Again, you have to put the number in. So let's put a 6 in here. And now plants are quite funny. You have to circle a plant on a space station, but you can only circle it in the section that you've put the number. So I can put a plant in any of this section all the way up here, any of these space stations. I can't do this one because this is a separate section. If I'd put the 6 in there, I could have circled that. So as it is, I will circle this one here. So you can circle any plant at all. Okay. And that is where at the end of the game, you will score over here your plants times the bonus it's got. So the more plants you fill this space station with, and the higher the bonus you get here, the more points you get. So say I did that, at the end of the game we would get 2 plants times the 9 bonus, so we would get 18 plants for that one there, which is number 2. So we get 18 points there, so we'd write that in there. And you would do the same with all the other ones. Obviously, the first move you make, you don't have a dividing line in there. This full trajectory in here, you can put a plant in at any space station you like, obviously, because it's on that one trajectory. So at the end of the game, you may get points for your achievements, A, B, and C. So they'll go in there. You'll add up the plants times the bonus. Put that in there. The water, you just add up the value of the water. Oops. Can't really see that there. So that's a 5 and a 4. So you would just add up all these water ones. Put it in there. This one is the score 1 point per numbered space for the longest completed zone. So it has to be complete. So say I had 10 and 9 there. And 1 in there. And let's just say we had 10, 11, 13 and 15 in here. And a 3 there. So I would score a point for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I would score 10 points for that. But if I had a longer one, say up to there, and this was not complete, I wouldn't score this one. I would score the one for the completed one. So you get 10 for that, even though you might have 12 numbers in here, or however many it is. If it's not complete, you don't score. This one is for the most completed zones, and the first person will get 20 points, the second person will get 10 points, and the third person will get 5 points. Now these are your negative numbers, so if you can't fill in anything doing your actions, you have to score off or circle one of these system errors. Now, as you'll notice, the first two give you an energy, so you could score off that, get an energy up here, and if you had another one, it would give you a line to put in straight away, which would help with resetting the numbers. So once you have, that'll be the score. So the highest, or the value showing, will be a negative number, and that will come off your total score. And the winner of this scenario will get 1 star. How the game ends, if you have completed, the first person to complete all 3 achievements, all system errors are filled, or there's no more space numbers to fill in, that will end the game. Okay, so hopefully that'll explain. We'll get a game with me, I'll get to the table with Ben and I, and we'll run through scenario number 2. Hi, welcome back. So we were on the campaign, we had to read chapter 161, which is now telling me to read number 141. So, leaving Earth was easy. The journey to the moon will be quite another story. Our trajectory has been calculated for weeks by experts. We must closely follow the coordinates and adapt to the slightest mishap. We must not miss anything either, resources in our space stations or the mixing of tanks. Everything must be perfect for humankind and the Human Alliance. As your captain, my duty is to determine our priorities. We must reach a space station, or we must respect our trajectory and the protocol. So I'm going to go for 133. I'm going to reach the space station. So I will flip over that, and here it's here. It's useless to come to the moon without the plants from our space stations. Here are your mission orders. So there we are. We've got some missions. So these are the achievements. This one here, circle a number of bonus, circle a multiplier bonus for 3 different space stations with the robots. Number B is using the energy, create your trajectory 2 zones of 6 numbered spaces. And number C is circle 6 water tanks. Okay, let's go. Let's flip the cards.
9 robots, 13 robots, and 4 energy. I am going to use the 4 energy on here. So that gets me that. I get a line. I'm going to use the line here.
Okay, I will use 13 robots, which I've already filled in, and I've filled in, I'll fill in this robot down here, because it's nice and simple. Okay.
8 robots, 6 calendars, and 5 astronaut helmets. I think I'll use the 8 robots. I'm going to use the 8 robots. Let's see. Let's use it here. 8 robots there. Circle that.
I too will use the robots. I'll use my 8 here. And I'll put the robots there, which I have now got this big bonus.
No.
So Ben has to score his off. Don't worry, you still get the little bonus. There's only one different, I think.
Lucky me.
Right, flipping cards.
11 robots, 12 water, and 10 energy. I'm going to use the 12 water. I'm going to use that 12 water over here. So I get that bonus, 8 water.
That was a good one. That's a big bonus. Yeah, I think I'll do the same. I'll just copy here. I'll put the 12. And I'll get that bonus. Okay.
Right, flip the cards.
Right, yo. 4 robots, 7 plants, and 4 water. I will. Could have been doing that. I'm going to put my 7. Yeah. I'm going to put 7 here. And I'll start circling these plants up here.
Okay. So, I am going to use the 4 water or 4 robots. Which one? I'm going to use the 4 robots. I'll use the 4 robots. I'll put that 4 robots down here. Circle that.
Going for that big bonus, are you?
Yep. Next lot. 8 energy, 14 energy, and 8 leaves. I'm going to use the... I'm going to use the 14 energy down here. I circle that. What are you going to do?
I am going to put an energy down somewhere. I'm going to go 14 energy. And I'll circle that energy up there, which scores off that one, and I'll put the line right there.
Good.
Right,
next lot. 15 water. 3 leaves. And 2 calendars. What are you going to do?
I'm going to put some plants down. Put some plants here, right at the start. I'll circle that one there.
Are you going for that?
Yep.
I am going to use... Oh, there's 15 water. Great. I'm going to use that 15 water. Right, no, I'm not going to use the 15 water. I'm going to use the 3 leaves. And I'm going to put that 3 leaf. I'm going to put the 3 over there. And I'm going to circle one of these leaves up here. Next lot. 13 robots. 12 astronaut helmets. And 10 robots.
I will. 13. I am going to. There's not very good numbers, those. I will go for. You know what? I'm going to use the astronaut, but I'm going to adjust the number by 2 down the way, so it'll be a 10. So I'll score off that one there, and I'm going to put my 10 in here. So I used the 12, I adjusted it by 2 down because of the astronaut.
Right. Either 13 or 10 robot. I'm going to use the 13 robot. I'm going to put that up here. So I circle that. Now I've got the big bonus. Times 9.
Now I just score mine off.
Right. 8 water. 5 astronaut helmets. Or 10 leaves. I am going to use the 8 water. I'm going to use that 8 water down here. So that gets me that.
Yeah. I've messed up. I should have left a bigger gap there because I can't get that water now. Well, maybe I can. Let me see. I will use the 5 astronauts again, but I'm going to adjust it by 1 so it can fit in here. So I'll use that. I now have a wild card action, which allows me to basically have a different action from what's on the cards.
Right, next lot. 12 astronaut helmets, 4 energy, and 5 astronaut helmets. I'm going to use the 4 energy. I'm going to... Wait, can I actually use the energy? Do I need to put down a line to be able to do it, or can I skip ahead of it?
You have to put the number down, score off that, and then you'll put the line down.
Right. Oh, that's good. I'm going to skip ahead. I'm going to put the 4.
No, you can't. You need to put the 4 in here.
What in there? Oh,
Or what's that? One's that 4?
that's a 4.
Oh, you can't. You can't put that 4 down then. We could put the. Yeah.
I'm going to put the 5 down.
Yeah.
I'm going to put the 5 astral helmets down here. I'm going to score that one off.
I am going to put a 4 down, 4 energy, because I need another line down. Oh, I can put it up there. I'm sorry, I can put it up there. I can put some energy here. So let's go for a 4 energy. Right.
Which one's next? 8 energy, 10 calendars, or 9 robots? I think I am going to go for the...
While you're thinking, I'm putting 8 energy in here. 8 energy, which... So that, and I get to put another line down, which I'll need to put one down here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put it in here.
If I put the 9 robots in here, can I get this bit? Or does it need to be in this one?
The robots can go anywhere.
Right.
It's only the plants that have to go in that.
Okay. I'm going to put the 9 robots. I'm going to circle this one all the way up there. Right. What's next on the list? 3 leaves, 6 energy, and 14 energy.
More energy. I will do it right up. Yeah. Right, okay, I need to put some plants down. I'll put 3 plants up here.
Nice. Right, I am going to use the 14 energy straight away. I'm going to use that 14 energy up here. I get to circle one of them. And I get a line, which I'm going to put over here. Nice. Right. 11 calendars, 7 calendars, and 7 robot. I'm going to use the 7 robot, and I'm going to put that in here. And I'll circle this again all the way up there.
Great. 7, yeah. I think I will use the 7 robots as well. I'll put it here. And I will better start making some robots go up. Let's go up here. Okay.
Okay. We now have 3 energy, 9 leaf, and 10 water.
Well, I'm going to put 10 water here. 10, and I've done that one.
I'm going to put the 10 water as well, but I'm going to put it in a different spot. I'm going to put the 10 water there. I circle that. Just make it a bit more clear. Right, next. 6 water, 5 leaves, and 10 robots. Oh, and 6 water for me. I'm going to put that 6 water, fits in right nicely there. Also get that water there.
Great. I think you win. How many? Remember, you can get an achievement if you get 6 waters circled. How many you got circled?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Is it all? Oh, yep. Right, okay. I thought you had more than that. I've got 2. I've only got 2 at the moment. So 6 water, 5 leaves. That's not. Yeah, I'll put the 5 here. It's losing that one. But to get to circle another one of these. Okay.
1 energy, 11 leaves, and 11 calendars. I already know where that energy is going to go. It's going to go right at the start. 1 energy.
Yeah. I've started mine, but I'll... Oh, that's rubbish. Okay, I can't do that. 11 leaves. Yeah, I could put 11 leaves down. Let's put 11 leaves on here. So I've nearly filled that space station with plants.
Ooh. 11 energy, 12 leaf, and 9 robot. Okay. Ooh, I'm going to use the 11 energy here. I get that energy. I also get a line, which I'm going to place up here. Yeah, I'm going to place it up here. Nice.
I'll continue on my plants down here. So 12. So in this space station now complete with plants. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 6, 30 points. But the truth is I'm struggling for space now. Right, okay.
Oh, what? Oh, 11 leaves.
There you go.
I'm so confused.
That's 11, 7 energy.
7 calendars and 6 water. I'm going to place the
Remember if you've got any wild cards, well you don't have any.
No.
I've got one.
I'm going to place the 6 water. I'm going to place the 6 water up here.
Oh yeah.
Up there, yep.
That's a bit silly.
Nah, yeah, my plan's coming to action. I've got 5 water now.
I'm going to put my 6 water in here. So I have 1, 2. Still only got 2. Must have. Oh, the 3. Yeah.
Right. 13 leaves, 9 robots, and 6 astronauts. I'm going to use the 9 astronauts. I'm going to put it up here. So I circle that off. I'm almost at that top one.
That's not an astronaut, that's a robot.
That's a robot.
Oh no, what'd you do? 9?
Yeah,
nine.
9.
Right, well I'm going to use this 9, but I'm going to use my wild card. So I'll screw off my wild card. I'm going to use it as a water. So I can put the 9 there, circle that water. So that's me got 4 waters now.
I need a 2 or 3 water to fill this little gap down here. 5 astronauts, 1 energy, 9 leaf.
Oh.
You're right. Replace that 9 leaf. Actually, no. I'm gonna place that 1 energy here. Circle one of those.
Okay. Yeah, I think we need to start getting some more energy, don't we? However, it's going to wreck that water. 9. I can't use a 9. I can't use the. I could use a 5, I suppose. Yeah, I'll go 5. 5 astronauts.
Two robots, 8 robots, 15 leaves. I'm going to place that 15 leaves all the way up here. I'm going to circle one of these actually. I'm going to circle one of these. I'm going to be brave and use one of them.
Yeah, because it's the only one you can do.
Yeah.
It's on that trajectory.
Yeah.
I think I will put my 15 up here as well. And I'll use the same leaves, but I will circle, because it's on this one trajectory, I'll put them in here. Okay. Oh, we need to shuffle the cards. What's up there? Right, okay, just shuffle the cards. Okay, so we'll just shuffle the cards here and
We got a wide selection.
of energy. 8, 14 or 5 energy. Take your pick.
Wide selection here. I'm gonna take the.
I'll put 8 energy. Oh, this is looking good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll need a bit of 8 there. 8 energy.
I'm gonna put the 5 energy down here. That's gonna get me another line, which I really don't need, but you never know. I'm gonna put another line there.
Okay, look. Right. Six water, 3 plants, 6 energy.
I'm going to use the three plants here. 3 plants. I'm going to put that here. Just gets me another one of these.
No, it has to go in that.
What?
There's no.
Oh, so I can't use. Oh,
no.
Oh, I'm going to move that somewhere else.
Okay, then. Right. Yeah, put that there. Yeah, beside that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll put 6 water. 6 water here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 water. Please.
1, 2. Come on, give me a water. Give me a water. Give me a water.
Energy I do not need. 12. 12 or 6 astronauts.
Wait, so what did the astronauts do again?
You can adjust the figures up or down by 2.
Of an astronaut?
So that could be 10 to 14.
Right. That's pretty useless.
You don't have to. I mean, it's handy if you're needing that.
Is there a bonus points for how many energy you've got?
Not in this one.
I'm going to use the 1 energy there. Circle one.
Okay. I will put 12 astronauts up there. So I score off that astronaut and I get another wild action.
11 energy. 5 astronaut helmets. 9 leaves. I'm going to use the 9 leaves and I'm going to put that in that little spot right there. And I'm going to circle one of these leaves there.
Yeah, so I'm going to use the 11 energy, but I'm going to change the energy to a water because of my wildcard action. So score it off. I'll need to put the 11 up there. I get that 4 water, and I think I've got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I claim this here. So I claim that. So I get 9 points for achievement C. So I flip it over, and Ben can still get the secondary 5 points, but I get 9 points. So I put 9 down here.
I still need 2 waters. That's unbelievable.
Okay.
5 energy, 4 energy, and 8 leaves.
I'm going to use 4 energy down here. Oh, which gets me another line which I desperately need.
I'm going to use the 8 leaves. I'm going to put that up there to circle one of these. I need to sacrifice a water spot if I get a...
You fill that with robots as well.
I need 1 more.
So we got a...
Oh, come on.
Oh, well, you know...
Wait, if I put the robot there, can I get the robot up there?
Robots can go anywhere, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Robots can go anywhere.
Oh, I'm going to put the 2 robots down there and I'm going to circle that up there. There we go. I got the big bonus.
The big bonus. Well, I need to score off the big bonus. 10 times, that is a big bonus. Right, I am going to do something. I will...
That's a good idea.
I'm going to put a 10 calendar. I'm going to put a 10 there. I get a calendar, which allows me to put an X in, which I'll put an X in here. So I've got that section complete. Whee.
Yay.
Okay, I got 9 plants, 13 energy, and 14 plants.
I'm going to use the 14 plants. I'm going to sacrifice another water, and I'm going to suckle that last leaf.
Oh, that is a...
That's a full station there.
I know, I think you may have
With
won
times
this
10.
one.
With times 10 as well. Never know, I can turn around.
14, ah, dearie me. Yeah, let me see. I think I'll put a... I can't even put that in anyway, I need to put a... Oh, this is rubbish. Then I will need to put a... I need to put the 9 plants. I need to put the 9 plants up here. A bit late to the party at that space station.
Right. 8 robots, 8 calendars, and 7 robots. Pretty useless.
Well, I'm going to use 7 robots. I'll get 7, and I will circle this robot here.
I'm going to use the 8 Nah. I'm going to use one of the... I mean, it doesn't really matter, because I've got no leaf there. I'm going to use the 8 calendars. I'm going to put that 8 calendar over here.
You can put an X in somewhere.
I can?
Yeah, because you've used the calendar. If you need a wee gap filled or you're struggling, you don't have to.
I want to fill that.
Well, you can leave it till you maybe get another calendar later.
I'm going to exit this one.
Okay.
Three robots, 6 leaves, and 10 water.
No. That's not good at all.
I'm going to use the 10 water. I'm going to use it on this water station right here. I'm at 5 water now. Yep.
6, 10. Well, I need to use the 3. So the 3 robots. And I'll circle this one up here, which gives me another space station. That one there. I get the big bonus for that one.
Oh no. I mean, I don't even have any robots or leaves for that one, so I don't mind.
Ah.
Right, next one. 11 calendars, 7 calendars, and 10 robots. I'm going to use the... I'm going to use the 11 calendars, and I'm going to put that up there. So I score that out, and I get a wild card this time.
Wild card, and you can still put an X in if you wish.
If I wish, which I mean, I may as well put it in this one over here.
Yeah. I'm going to be running out of... The game will be ending pretty shortly, I think. I'm going to put 11 calendars here. So I can also put an X in. And I also get a wild card action. Let's put an X in somewhere. Let's put an X in here, yeah. Same as you.
Right, next lot. 3 energy, 9 leaves, and 10 calendars. 3. I'm going to use my wild card. I'm going to turn that 3 energy into a 3 water. I'm going to put that 3 water in here. Circle that.
Okay.
Which gets me 7 water.
So how many waters do you have now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right, so you've claimed that achievement, so you get 5 points. So you can stick your 5 points down in number C.
Oh, see, right.
Yep. So that one's done. I'll just turn it that way. So what's the other ones? We've got circle, complete 3 space stations. I've got 2.
I've got 1 fully. What was it, like fully completed?
And get the robots up to the space station.
I've got 2 then.
And have 2 complete sectors with 6 in them. I've only got 1 complete sector with 6 in it. 6 sectors.
What, 6 complete sectors?
No, like a string of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I put mine down there? I didn't think I did. What did you do? What did you do there?
Huh?
What did you do? Well, you changed it. I haven't done mine.
Yeah. I changed the energy into water.
Did I do one? I don't think I did.
And now you don't.
9 or 10. That's not great. Oh, I'll need to use my wild card. So I'll need to put the 3 down, score off with my wild card, which I got last turn. Or did I put? Did I get a? Yeah, I did. Did I? Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you'll tell me if I'm cheating or not. So I'll put the 3 there. Okay.
Right. 15 water, that's a big one. 5 leaves and 10 water. I already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the 10 water into this right there. Fits in nicely and I get 5 water.
Oh, okay.
And that's a full string.
I know. Right, so what we got? 15, 5 and 10. So I need to be 5. 5 plants. Yeah, I'll go put 5 there.
Well, does that have to be exactly 6?
Yes. So I'll circle the plants, although I'm not getting any points for that. This will probably be the last turn.
7 robots, 11 leaves, and 10 leaves. I'm going to put which I can't do anything.
Well, you get a wild action, you can...
Nope.
Alright, well I'm going to put my 7 there. Put the thing up there. Now, because you can't do anything... What's that? Oh, it's... you need to score off one of them.
That's rubbish.
And that, because I now have a complete trajectory of numbers, the game ends.
Oh yeah, wow, right, so lose points.
So you will lose points, yeah. So we will count up the score. Let's go. So nobody got this, achievement A. Nobody got achievement B. 1, 2, no I didn't. So, and we both got achievement C. So what we do now is we total up each space station. So starting from the one nearest to Earth, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 6 is 30 points for that one. And
I got number 1.
I got nothing for that one.
For number 2, I get 18.
Ooh. For number 3, I have got 2 times, was that 8?
Yeah.
That's 16.
For 3, I got nothing again.
And I've got nothing for 4.
For 4, I've got 10 times 4, which is 40 points.
Oh, nice. Right, this one is add up your total waters that you've circled.
Wait, add up the total of that.
Oh, you can do that then, yeah. So
Yeah,
that's 9 and 46.
So, 5, 12, 28, 35, 41, 45.
27, 33, 37. What did you get?
45.
Woo.
Those 2 8s came in handy.
Now this one is your longest complete sector.
Oh, if only I had that one down there, I could have put
So
one.
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 2 10s. 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Is that your longest complete sector?
Yeah.
Right, there you go then. Now this one is the person with the most complete sectors.
Not me.
Oh yeah, it is.
What?
Oh no, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 complete sectors. You
I've
got
got-
1.
I've got 1, 2, 3,
So I get 20 and you get 10 points.
10.
And that next one's minus points.
But I only got minus 0. Or was that?
Oh, you go for the
Got that.
you go for the 5 because you scored
Minus 5.
0. And then we add them all up. Go.
Yeah. So I got 5 plus 58 plus 45 plus 10 plus 10. Wait, no, plus 10 minus 5. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I think you.
What
Okay.
did you get?
So I get 9 and 46.
9 plus 46
plus 37
plus 37
plus 10
plus 10
plus 20.
plus 20. 1, 2, 2.
Oh, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Oh, see, Ben's the winner.
I
Ben
won by
won this
1 point.
Did you?
1 point. I got 1, 2, 3, and you got 1, 2, 2.
Oh.
Wait, so you got 9, 46, 37, 10, 20. That's 1, 2, 2.
Yeah, brilliant. I know.
Eh.
Okay, so let's go and read the book. We have got Captain Takey. If you won the game, go to this chapter. But I didn't, so otherwise, go to chapter 120. Okay. Moon landing confirmed. Welcome to the moon. We have stayed on schedule, even if my performance was not the best. It's important to keep in mind that we are a team, united for the survival of humankind. The player who won the game becomes a new captain, gets a captain card, carries on reading. The player who won the game earns 1 star as indicated on the adventure sheet. Save the game on the dashboard. Note the number of stars earned. Record the current captain. Write down as well the number of this chapter, 120, to save your campaign. You will go back to it starting here. Okay, dokie. So that is game number 2 of Welcome to the Moon. I hope you enjoyed that, and we will possibly see you again for mission number 3. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.